Okay, so here we are at the Civic Plaza parking garage. Over there's the elevator. We'll get to that in a minute. I think there's an old fire alarm over here. I want to check. I'm gonna go check out over here for just a second. I'll meet you guys over there. Just a second. Never mind, it is a Fago bottle. Really old sprinkler system. Surprisingly, there's no fire alarm system in here, which is not a very good deal. Yeah, but they should have a fire alarm in a parking garage. I wonder where elevators this is. It's probably a common one. Press the up button. Make sure there's no people on here. There's not.
What day? August 9th?
We got a.
Look.
What is that?
When
is that?
August 14th. Take a picture of it with your phone so you can.
Got a really nice elevator here.
First floor.
Talks. Nice. Rumbly. That doesn't sound good. Alright, that's it for now. Here's the fire alarm system. They have Edwards. More strobes. I'm still looking. I'm gonna go upstairs and see what's there. I know. Then we got an Edward strobe over here. What do you mean games? Honestly, I have no idea. Don't ask me. I don't know. Yeah, I know. I don't really. I usually don't get those, to be honest. Not really.
Minecraft, the story mode.
Okay, so they have one here. It looks like a wheel on Kimchi. I'm going back downstairs. Alright.
Alright.
Here is the cats. Here is the lobby, well, the entrance of the Linebaugh Library. Look at that plane, that's pretty cool. U.S. Army. That one too. All these great books, frog paintings, and yeah. We're gonna leave now. Make sure there's nobody in it. Yep, okay, alright. And it looks like there's a tornado shelter here. I'm gonna see this. Yeah, that is a tornado shelter for sure. So, you know what, Mama? If we ever got a tornado, that's gonna destroy our house. We go right there. I love that chime, to be honest. Sounds like a Satan going down. Oh. Yep. It dings
Which
twice.
one were we on?
We were on parking.
Oh my god, that scared the booty crap out of me. I took a picture of that.
Did you?
P1.
No, this is not the right one. This is it's parking too. Oh, we gotta take another right on the elevator. Just like it is. Oh my gosh. Listen to that motor.
P2.
I just crapped my pants again.
You grabbed your pants. You grabbed your pants.
Okay, Mom. God.
I'm recording, guys. Please don't. And there's the handicap button. Very nice working. Then we're going out to the car here. You can see the sprinkler. Here we back out. Here we are back out at Civic Plaza parking garage. Get in the car here. Wait, did they? Yep, they did it. All right, they unlocked it. Good. Making sure. Hold on, I gotta get on the. Oh, I just gotta crawl over here because that door's too close to that thing. Listen to that echo. Hold on, guys, just a second. I'm not ready. All right, we are now leaving the Civic Plaza parking garage, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Just a second, let me get my seatbelt on here. We're gonna take a trip around the garage here. There's an exit light. See that awesome art over there? So as we start driving, you see the stairwell up to the library. You see that stairwell down to P1 also. And when you go down, there's the emergency exit, I think. Fire extinguisher inside. You can see this is a pretty cool little parking garage here. So you gotta go the other way. We can go that way if you want to. There's the fire equipment room, I think. Yep, it says fire extinguisher inside. So as we leave, see an office building. That sounded like a fire alarm, to be honest. And oh my gosh, we got a fire truck. Yeah, it's coming. Oh, no, we're good. See, Smith's real estate auction. You can see the tire shop. And you can see budget brakes. Ooh, yeah, we'll drive down, okay, we'll drive down Northwest Broad for a minute. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so as we're going by, you can see the beautiful downtown Murfreesboro. And you see the bank just went by. We got a vintage shop, a loan shop, a pawn shop, a modern furniture shop. To Memorial Boulevard, and look at this bridge here. Wait for it. Goes right out to a very busy road. All right, that's it.